We have divided this PPT in three different sections. We have seen first two parts of this PPT. Now let's start with the third one. So we just have finished what we have learned from both the stories. Now there are few words to study from both the stories. Seagull, a bird that lives near the sea and has short legs, long wings and white and grey feathers. Ledge, a narrow horizontal shelf projecting from a wall or a cliff. Brink, the extreme edge of land before a steep slope or a body of water. Expanse, a wide continuous area of something. The next few words are flapped. Here the word is used in association with the bird. Move its wings up and down when flying or preparing to fly, that is flapped. The next word is muster. Muster, gather. Plunge, jump or dive. Shrilly, with a high pitched and piercing voice or sound. Upbraiding, scold. Next few words, herring, a soft finned sea fish. Devour, eat quickly. Cackle, laugh in a loud, harsh way. Cowardice, lack of bravery. Ascending the sky, the act of rising up through the air. Preening, to tidy and clean its feathers. Hum, a rounded raised mass of earth or land. Scrapped, discard. Derisively, in a manner expressing contempt or ridicule. Plaintively, sad. Uttered, make a sound with one's voice. Halted, stopped. Monstrous, horrible. Seized, grab. Headlong, with the head foremost. Soaring, flying or rising high in the air. Swooped, especially of a bird, move rapidly downwards through the air. Curveting, perform a series of jumps on the hind legs. Shrieking, making a high-pitched piercing cry or sound. Shrilly, loudly and forcefully. Regis, a long narrow hilltop, mountain range or watershed. Cawed, utter a caw. Beckoning, gesture. Thank you.